guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today's gonna be another empties video, so if you do want to know what I have been using up for the past, I don't know, one and a half month, maybe even 2 months. But anyway, before we get into the video, I would really love it if you would subscribe. I am a cruelty-free YouTuber and I would really love your support. But let's just hop into today's video. When applying my makeup, I did use up my last Golden Rose makeup fixing spray. This sets and extends makeup wear and a fresh look. You should not, I don't know how to say this, but I can't tell if my makeup wears longer. My makeup wears pretty good if I don't use setting spray, and my makeup wears pretty good if I use setting spray. So like, I don't know, does the job, but I would not repurchase it. I didn't feel that it was anything special. My usual conditioner, I cleanse my hair with this, as most of you guys know, and yeah, I have been going through some of these. I don't even think that these are all. Another one of this is like super disgusting, but this is what I have for hydrating my hair, and this is the Faith in Nature Watermelon Conditioner. I think it's nice, you know. I would like one with a little bit more hydration and a little bit more like shea butter or something like that, but I haven't found a good cruelty-free one that is easy accessible in Sweden, so I am still hunting, but I have repurchased this already. So here I have my Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating Micellar Cleansing Water. I like Yes to as a brand actually. I found them this year and I have actually really been liking a lot of their products. I tried the cucumber one first. I do prefer the cucumber one. I know that a lot of people loves coconut, but I am more towards the cucumber one. I don't know, I'm just not obsessed with coconuts as I know that a lot of people are. It's not bad or anything, but I prefer my cucumber one. And if you have tried anything from them, let me know what your favorite product is from Yes to and what I need to check into, because they have actually been intriguing me quite a lot, and I've been more towards skincare lately. I guess it has to do with my age, I don't know, but I am getting old, and yeah, I just think it's fun, and I don't know, I like it. I had another conditioner, and then I have this one from Jessicurl. This is their Spirilicious styling gel. This is really nice actually. I do really like this one. You know, I have a video where I do my own flaxseed gel, and I use it for my hair and then like scrunch it. It's supposed to have like a very strong hold, but this one has an even stronger hold. It leaves a cast. I know that a lot of you guys have asked me if the flaxseed gel leaves a cast, and no, it necessarily doesn't, but I touch my hair quite a lot, so I guess it's that. But this one actually leaves a pretty hard cast, so what I usually do is that I just scrunch the cast out, and what you do is that you just like scrunch it, chip, and then the cast is gone. I want to buy a new one of this, but the shipping, like Jessicurl is so hard to get a hold of in Sweden, and I know that we have the almaofsweden.se, but they have a shipping price, and I hate paying for shipping. Especially this makes the product so much more expensive that I just kind of wait until they will have like a deal with free shipping or something, and then I will probably repurchase this. Okay, let's talk about some makeup. I have, this is not maybe makeup, but this is a lip balm from Aco. I've talked about this before, I've used mine up. Love this one. I am going after this to pick up a package that contains 3 more of this. Like I go through these like I go through soap or underwear, or like, you know, I use this a lot. Then I have an eyeliner from W7. I have talked about the fact that I hate this one, and I have officially decluttered it because I can't do it anymore. Like I can't do it anymore. And I know that some of you will be like, but you had another one as a backup, and I did. But there was a girl on Facebook asking if we had some recommendations in a cruelty-free group, if we had some recommendation for a bunch of different products, because she had just lost her makeup case and she wanted to have some really affordable products. And I was like, hey girl, I have some unopened mascaras, I have some unopened eyeliners, let me send you some so you don't have to pay for it. And she was so thankful. So I sent her some products and palettes and stuff that I don't really use, and I felt like it was a better thing to do than for me to use this when I hate it. If she likes it, that's great. If she doesn't like it, hey, at least it was for free and she can toss it. I did send her another one from Maquillage that I really like as well, so you know, she has an option if she hates it anyway. I have also been using up the Body Shop Lightening drops. This is, as I said, from the Body Shop. I could actually pick another one of these up if I feel like I need to. During the summer now, I just don't really feel like I need it. But the thing about these lightening drops is that you have to use quite a lot. You have to use like 50-50 for it to even make a big difference. So if you have a really dark foundation, this is not gonna help you. Also, it changes the formula. It has a bit of a pink shift to it, so I don't really know how it will work for someone that is yellow toned or neutral toned, but it changes the formula. For something, for me anyway, that's good because it is a bit sheerer. I have also been using up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in the shade Taupe. I think you can see that I have a bit left, but honestly, like, it became like super duper dry and I felt like, okay, I've used this for almost a year or even more. I don't need to hang on to this, so I decluttered it. At the moment, I'm using another Dipbrow pomade and I will probably use that for a year before that one is empty, but then I will definitely repurchase my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade because I feel like this is better. I have a 3-in-1 Micellar cleansing water for dry skin from L300. I think that this is nice. Like, I don't notice that much of a difference with toners because what I use as toners for is only to get the pH level back, because when you cleanse your face with, for instance, a face soap, is that the way you say it? Face washer, a daily cleansing face washer or whatever, you strip away the pH or you change the pH level or something in your skin. So what I usually do is that I cleanse my face maybe 2 times with a cleanser, and then I go in on a pad with a toner or micellar water or whatever, and I get the pH level back, but I will also remove the makeup that I have like right here in my hairline, and if I have missed some spots here and there, I can just go in and cleanse it off with a toner, and I think that this is nice. I do prefer my other micellar water from Yes too, but you know, I have to order that outside of the country, so sometimes it's nice to order from Swedish stores when, you know, you are a little bit in a rush to get a new one. Okay, so I have this one from Esse. This is a MicroDerm exfoliator. This is so freaking expensive. I got this in PR along with some other things. I think that this is the last product I have from Esse now, but this says that you're going to scoop up a little bit of the exfoliator with a few drops of water, exfoliate your face and décolletage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. I didn't feel like this did a lot actually. I didn't feel like it really exfoliated my skin, to be honest. I didn't get any tingling feelings. I didn't get anything, and I hate standing like this for 2 to 3 minutes. I know that that sounds so lazy, but that's the way I am with skincare. Sometimes I just need something that is quick and just gets the job done, and so this is just not a product for me, and also I cannot justify the price of this. Sorry. We also have the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. Mine looks ratchet, and I have had this. I have had 2 or 3 jars of this. I actually like this one. I get that like tingling feeling. It definitely feels like it drags all of the products out, but I've said this so many times. I have used the Body Shop for so many years now that I am wanting to expand a bit and wanting to try other brands. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, I was so sad when I had used this up. I was like, wait, what? What? So this is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation. This is so dewy. It's so dewy. I can't wear this alone because especially when I don't set my face, it is going to smudge off everywhere. You know, if I put on a t-shirt, I will have it on my t-shirt and stuff like that. So I can't use it alone, but it's my favorite when I want to mix it with other foundations. Sometimes, you know, I am going through all of my foundations at the moment, so I have mixed it with some of the foundations that I feel is a little bit too matte. So it's really a nice foundation, and I am actually thinking if I should repurchase this so I can mix it with some other foundations. But that is a really good tip if you also want to have a dewy skin but don't want to throw out the ones that you have because they are, say for instance, that they are matte, and you don't want to throw them out but you still don't want to blend them with liquid illuminators. This one. Try this one. I am not sure if the Browgal is cruelty free. I have heard so many mixed reviews about that. Some people say that they are, while some people say that they are not. So I honestly don't really know. But this is the best brow gel on the market, hands down. This will like keep your brows in place every day, like all day long, I mean. But I haven't repurchased it because I don't really know if it is cruelty free or not. I actually got this in a subscription box and that is why I have it. This is another product that I got from a glossy box. Not glossy box. I got this from I think it was a Style Tone box. They are cruelty free and they have really nice products actually. But this is the Avartet Clarifying and Refining Serum. Invisible Pores Night Detox Micro Refining Serum. I felt like this broke me out. Maybe it is because it was like a night detox thing that they pulled all of the clogged pores out. I'm not really sure, but I think I have some left actually. Yeah, I have some left. I just felt like, you know what? I am not doing this anymore. I cannot wake up with bad skin every single day just to use it up. I was like, no, you can see I've used it quite a lot. So I was like, no, I'm gonna declutter it. I'm gonna put it in my empties pile. I'm done with this. I'm done with it. The Body Shop Drops of Youth all-time favorite serum. I used this on, ooh, I have a bit left. Oh. Anyway, I used this in my morning routine because it is very light, and then, you know, once you apply it, it kind of smooths your skin, and like it feels like it drags your skin, and it really just removes all of the fine lines that I have. This is my third bottle, I think. Just this is really expensive, but I do really love this one, and it also has that tacky base. That's so good if you want to put on makeup and such. Fabulous serum. Like honestly, such a good serum in my opinion. This serum is probably my all-time ever favorite serum ever. It's so good, and it really is a bottle with youth because it really just removes all of the fine lines and everything. It's so good. I love it. If you haven't tried this, and if you can, go to the Body Shop, say that you want a sample of this just to try at home. You will get a little jar, but then you can try it at home and see if it's worth spending your money on it, because I recommend this so much. Also, sometimes I save these bottles because I do cleanse them out, and then I do different oils. For instance, I have an oil that I do with castor oil, and then I blend in some drops of, is it rosemary oils or drops? I don't know, but that I apply on my brows and on my lashes, and it has made them, like, I apply it every single night, and then I go to bed, and then I cleanse it off in the morning. And these are really nice for that when you want to do your own little cocktails. So that is just a little tip for you guys. This is also a product that I haven't used up. This is the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I have had this in my collection. I found it and I was going to use it, and it is a toner. I'm not gonna open it up because it smells like, is it called yeast? I think it is. My English, guys, my English. but it smells like that, and I feel like it has become bad. So I can't say anything about the actual formula, just that I have had this for too long, forgotten about it, and now I can use it. This is a e.l.f. Hydrating Eye Primer. I used this so much for so long. e.l.f. has this weird packaging. They have all of these like primers that looks like contain like 30 milliliters, but they only contain like 15 or something. This is not it. This took me so freaking long to use up, but honestly, like this lasted me so long. I was like, okay, today is the day. Today it's empty. Today it's empty. Today it's empty. Every single day, but it always like kept on going. So I used this like an extra hydrating thing. I don't really know how much it did, but I have it. I have used it up now, and I'm not gonna repurchase it. Then I have this Wet n Wild mascara. This is the Max Volume Plus mascara. As I've said before, I'm just really bad at reviewing mascaras because I feel like most of the mascaras are working for me. This is not my favorite because it has this rubbery wand, and I prefer the other type of wand. But yeah. I have a duo lash glue, and I have already bought a new one, and I'm using a new one. So I really love this one. And then I have a brow gel from ColourPop. This is more of like a soap, but you know, I like what it does with my brows because it feels like it kind of thickens them out a little bit, but it doesn't have a hold, so it's not a product that I will purchase again. The last product I have is also from Wet n Wild. This is the brow thingy. I said that I wasn't going to throw this out because I still have this shade, and that I was going to use it once I dyed my hair dark, which I have, but I feel like the lighter shade actually works so much better for me, so that's why I'm officially throwing it out. I'm actually gonna save this and see if my mom actually wants it, because my mom, I know, loved this one as well. Just stupid to throw it out. But yeah, that was all the products that I had to share with you guys today. So really hope that you enjoyed this empties video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!